the first day we're going to really concentrate on drawing, because I find that drawing is the key to watercolor. They're inextricably intertwined, and creating a good watercolor painting, you need to learn the drawing process as well. So today I'm really going to hit that really hard. And then tomorrow we'll start to get into painting. Today we're going to also concentrate more on the profile, and so in my background I have a lot of profile painting examples. So today the focus is profile. Tomorrow we'll get into the next kind of face-on portrait, where we're looking at the head face on, and then we're going to save the best for last and do the three-quarter view on the third day.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.